Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Motivators. Today I am going to solve one more problem related to the pretensioned prestress concrete beam. Okay, before going to the problem, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is problem number 6. A pretensioned concrete beam which is bonded is if rectangular section is 300 mm wide, means B equal to 300 mm wide by 650 mm overall depth, means capital D equal to 650 mm is pre-stressed by 800 mm square area, means A equal to 800 mm square of high tensile steel wire of an effective depth is 600 mm, means small d equal to 600 mm. This section is also reinforced with 2 bars of 25 mm dia. Write it as it is. So 2 bars of 25 mm dia and effective cover of 50 mm, means d dash equal to 55 mm. FCK is 40 Newton per mm square. FCK equal to 40 Newton per mm square. FP is 1600 Newton per mm square. FP equal to 1600 Newton per mm square. Then Fy is 450 Newton per mm square. Fy is 450 Newton per mm square. Find the flexure strength of the beam, means M equal to question mark. Now draw the figure. Beam overall width equal to 300 mm. Next, overall depth capital D equal to 650 mm. Next, effective depth small d equal to 600 mm. Next, d dash equal to 50 mm. Next, area is AP equal to question mark. Okay, in this question they give the both the areas. Don't be confused. Add the both the areas, then total area is considered as a AP value. So this is area number 1, this is area number 2. So now AP equal to AS into Fy divided by Fp. We don't know AS value, so AS equal to, here they give the 2 bars. Okay, 2 bars into pi by 4 into d square. So 2 into pi by 4 into d's diameter 25 square. We got AS value as a 981.25 mm square. Now we got AS value, then apply in this formula. So AP equal to AS value is 981.25 into FA value is given question 415 divided by FP value is 1600. Okay, we got answer as a 254.51 mm square. Now add the both the values. So AP equal to, this is considered as AP1 plus this value is considered as AP2. So AP1 is 800 plus AP2 is 254.51. So total area is 1054.51 mm square. Now this is the total area. Okay. Now find the flexure strength of the beam. Means formula equal to M equal to FPU into AP into bracket open D minus 0.42 into XU. This is the formula for finding the flexure strength of the beam. Okay. Then step number 1. Calculate the effective reinforcement ratio. Okay. Formula is AP into FP divided by PD into FCK. Okay, AP value is 1054.51 into FP value is given in question 1600 divided by B is 300 mm wide, D is 600 into FCK value is 40. Okay, now we got answer as a 0.23. Now from table 11 page 51 IS 1343 2012. Okay. Now we want FPB divided by 0.87 into FPV value and XU by D value. Okay. Now AP into FPU divided by BD into FCK equal to 0.23. We got answer as a 0.23. Now we want FPB divided by 0.87 into FPV value and XU by D value. So here we don't know 0.23 corresponding value. So with the help of the interpolation we finding the 0.23 corresponding value. So 0.23 corresponding value is 1 and 0.25 corresponding value is 1. Now 0.20 corresponding value is 1. We want 0.23 corresponding value. So question mark 0.25 corresponding value is 1. Now with the help of the interpolation we find 0.23 corresponding value. Now let's see. 1 plus this minus this. Okay, 1 minus 1 divided by this value minus this value, 0.25 minus 0.20 bracket close into, now we want this value corresponding value. So 0.23 minus 0.20, 0.23 minus 0.20. Now we got answer as a 1. Okay. Now FPB divided by 0.87 into FPU equal to, we got answer as a 1. Okay, now we want FPB value. So FPB equal to cross multiplication 0.87 into FPU into 1. Okay, 0.87 into FPB value is given question 1600 into 1. Now we got answer as a 1392 Newton per mm square. Okay, similarly we want XU by D value. Okay, now similarly for 0.20 corresponding value is 0.435. Again 0.25 corresponding value is 0.542. Okay, so 0.20 corresponding value is 0.435. We want 0.23 corresponding value question mark. For 0.25 corresponding value is 0.542. Okay, now with the help of the interpolation we find 0.23 corresponding value. So 0.435 plus bracket open this value minus this value, 0.542 minus 0.435 divided by 0.25 minus 0.20, 0.25 minus 0.20 bracket close into, now we want 0.23 corresponding value, so 0.23 minus 0.20. Finally we got answer as a 0.50. So we got XU by D value is 0.50. Okay, now we want XU value. So XU equal to cross multiplication D into 0.50. Okay, D is 600 into 0.50. Okay, now we got XU value as a 300 mm. Now we got both the values, XU value and FPB value. Then step number 2, calculate the flexure strength of beam. Okay, formula M equal to FPB into AP into D minus 0.42 into XU. Okay, we got FPB value is 1392. So FPB is 1392 into AP value is, calculate the AP value is 1054.51 mm square. So 1054.51 into D is 600 minus 0.42 into XU is 300. Now we got M value as a 695.77 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm, or 695.77 kilonewton meter.